Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your love bite now. Let's see what message there is for you today, Virgo, for your love life. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. So keep that in mind, okay? And take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most regarding their love life now. Thank you. So, Virgo, we're going to start with our angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this read, and then we'll begin. My angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Virgo, please. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Virgo. This one. All right, thank you. Let's put the rest back, Virgo. And the card I have here for you is optimism. Stay optimistic about your love life, Virgo. I don't know why. Let's open the cards and see why you should be looking forward now. Okay, so welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all the support that you've been sending to the channel to keep it up and running, and also all your lovely comments and your likes, which keep me motivated to bring out these videos for you. I'm very blessed and very grateful. Thank you. And of course, Virgo, if you're new here, we welcome you also to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Virgo, simple 9-card spread with some dialogue messages to see what's the most important message here for you today. Your longer readings have been put up, Virgo. In fact, the March overall energy readings have been put up. In case you've missed those, I'll leave a link at the end of the video. You can catch it there, right? And if any of you are looking for a private reading, my email is in the description box below where you can reach me. So bottom of my deck, I do see the 4 of Swords in reverse. Somebody is going through some anxiety here, Virgo, maybe a bit of restlessness as well. Let's see why. The Hermit, King of Pentacles, 8 of Swords, Page of Cups, King of Swords, 4 of Wands, the Magician, the Tower, and the Page of Swords. What is happening here, Virgo? Somebody definitely wants to come back and offer an apology, that's for sure. But a bit stressed out right now, feeling maybe they are not being able to make any wise decisions right now, wanting to level up, but having a lot of anxious thoughts, wanting to come with an apology, wanting to come and speak their truth about some stability which they see with their partner, trying to manifest the best possible outcome. But I do see a tower moment coming here. So let's just take some dialogue message cards first, Virgo, and see what this is all about, and then we start clarifying these cards. So Virgo and their partner spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Too many. Virgo and their partner, if they could say something to each other now, spirit. Virgo and their partner. From what I see, center, the King of Swords, somebody does want to come and speak their truth now. Virgo and their partner spirit. And let's take a couple more from here for Virgo. Virgo and their partner spirit. Okay, Virgo. Let's start with this card. I get so frustrated by this intense telepathy, the dreams and the strong sexual energy, even though I'm alone. Your hunger and desire for me has me burning up, but you're nowhere to be found. The passion is an all-consuming, inextinguishable fire, and it's driving me crazy. Yes, somebody wants to come out of hermit mode now. Maybe they're very, very stressed and very anxious and in a self-imposed prison of their own. Maybe they have to bring an apology and clear the air. Or maybe this is their partner feeling that, where are you? Where are you? I'm alone here. I'm healing from deep trauma after losing you in the physical world. On reflection, I realize my inability to put myself first let me down. But as you're my mirror, I feel it. I ultimately let you down. I'm so sorry I couldn't be there for you. I'm so sorry I couldn't be there for you when you needed me the most. I don't know how to make myself a priority, and in not doing so, I lost the biggest part of me, you. Like I said, somebody wants to apologize right now. They want to speak their truth. They want to speak their truth regarding maybe a marriage, a commitment. Next card says, I have never loved anyone the way I love you. I didn't expect to feel so much, but your stone cold silence broke me. The pain is like grief. It feels like my lover died and I died along with them. Maybe somebody has been overthinking the situation and not talking to their partner, going round and round in their head as to how to work things out. When I miss you, I don't have to go far. I have to just look within my heart and my soul, because that's where you are. Yes, the love is there still. I like so many things about you that I don't even know how to tell you that I love everything about you. I think that you were made for me and I was made for you. I'm planning a surprise engagement. I want to ask you to marry me. Will you say yes? Thank you for your support. I could not do all this without you. My feelings for you are platonic. Okay, all right. Because our relationship has suffered irreparable damage. Yes, something has happened here where you guys are no longer together, and even though you both are very, very drawn towards each other, there is no way you guys can come together. It's seeming rather platonic at the moment. Also because this relationship has gone through some kind of a tower moment here. So let's clarify these cards and see where we are. The Hermit in reverse, Spirit. Hermit in reverse. Yes, there's been a lot of silence here, Virgo. There's been a lot of silence, no communication between the two of you. Somebody is desperately now wanting to come out of this solitude, this silence, and I think now approach the situation head on. They don't like the silence that, maybe their partner's not been talking to them, or you both have not been talking to each other. I don't know. King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles. Yes, this somebody is realizing now, but I didn't take responsibility. This relationship has totally taken a wrong direction. Maybe said or did something rash or immature, or said something without thinking. But they want to come in now. They want to come in quick and fast and kind of heal the situation. They want to step up and be seen as somebody who is loyal and who can actually step up now. Eight of Swords. Eight of Swords. My God, the kind of stress this person is under, it's unbelievable. They don't know what action to take. They are stuck in their head. Look at this. Eight of Swords is clarified by the Eight of Swords. This is like a lot of internal thinking, going back and forth in their own mind, feeling stuck, feeling imprisoned in their own mind space here. But the more they're thinking, actually this is actually giving them a lot of clarity now. They really want to speak their truth. They want to say something. Now, all this time spent in hermit mode and all this time thinking, trying to reflect on everything that's happened, this is actually leading this person into a lot of clarity, and they now know what their truth is. I think somebody wants to come forward with an apology now. Page of Cups. Page of Cups, Spirit. because their feminine is upset and angry now. So somebody wants to come and make up and speak their truth. They don't want to now want to, they don't want to juggle. Maybe they have another partner, maybe, or something. I don't know what, but somebody doesn't want to go back and forth anymore. They want to drop the ball now and make a decision, which is the King of Swords energy, right? Speak the truth and clear out whatever doesn't work. I don't want to juggle anymore. I don't want to go back and forth anymore. I'm very sure of who I want, what I want, and how I want my life to go. Yes, I don't want to be stuck between two for the rest of my life. This person, this King of Swords, is making a decision now as to where and who feels like home to them. They won their Four of Wands. Four of Wands, Spirit. Four of Wands. Again, making a decision as to who feels like home. No longer wanting to be stuck between two options. The Magician, Spirit, what are they manifesting? Magician. What's this Magician? I think till now this person hasn't really taken action, so they are a little worried that they've taken too much time and putting in work. Now they're a bit embarrassed and sheepish as to how to come forward maybe and trying to manifest a sudden drastic change. What's this Tower, Spirit? Tower. Tower. What's this Tower card? Yes, maybe they want, they are trying to maybe manifest or dream up a surprise or something, because they know till now they haven't really shown action. So somebody's trying to think of some way that they can have a sudden maybe change where all this imbalance and the sleepless nights can be over and they can end some chapter of their life and immediately begin a brand new one. Like this card says, I'm planning a surprise engagement. Like somebody could be just wanting to out of the blue appear and say, hey, listen, whatever happened, I'm sorry, but today here I want to propose to you, or something like that. But there is a Page of Swords here in reverse. So what's that, Spirit? That's my only Page of Swords. There is a bit of delay. As much as this masculine is fantasizing or manifesting or praying for something to change, they are, I think, a bit worried also about maybe gossip or things not going right. They do feel a lot of love for their person, but there is some kind of a delay going on in achieving what they really want. They desperately don't want to come out of this place of feeling abandoned and left out, but there is a problem with commitment still. Maybe that's what the anxiety is all about, Virgo. Maybe somebody is not in a position right now to offer commitment. Page of Swords once again, Spirit. What's this Page of... Maybe there are children involved, could be also. This person is trying to get enlightened about the best course of action. They want to do something which will go smooth. They don't want to look back in sorrow and regret of their actions. They do want to have a stable new beginning, but they're still trying to find their way out where they don't have to look back and have to apologize or be regretful or shameful of their actions. It could be that there is a child involved here. That's a possibility. But right now, I think things are really not moving. There's a bit of stagnation because action is a problem because this can't be offered yet. This Ten of Cups, the Hierophant are both in reverse. Anyway, so stay optimistic. At least this person is thinking the right direction. It may take a little time for them to sort their life out, I guess. But in the next read, I will want to tap into their energy as well and see what is it that's stopping them and what action do they want to take towards it. Right? So, and how your energies are going to be aligning. So, I'll see you now on Thursday, Virgo. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.